our delicious duck neck snacks packaged? Let's find out through this video. Here on the operation interface, we can see the packaging speed is 50 bags per minute. Bags are loaded into the magazine, where suction cups extract each bag and place it into the clamps on the rotating turret. Then, the bag goes through coating and opening so that the duck neck can be discharged into it. All measuring cups are specially customized, allowing for precise control over the weight of each duck neck portion. To ensure better sealing, we have added an optional bag mouth cleaning device. After completing the above steps, the bag can be transferred into the vacuum chamber. Our vacuum level can reach over 98%, which effectively preserves the freshness of the duck neck. These are all the steps for packaging duck neck. Are you interested? Feel free to reach out to me.